Hello there. So, on the first opening of the Nat20 Admin application, you'll be greeted with this screen in front of you. So, this will automatically tell you how many learners you currently have that are in your school, the number of activities for the day, and how many books are currently out on the out of the library. And below that is even a calendar with the public holidays in them as you can see there. So to get started, come here to the settings page. We'll be greeted with this. This just gives you some basic information. School houses. So you need to add in some school houses for your learners. So let's start with that now. Let's just go with blue, green, and red. So there's our three houses, all good there. Then we'll go to our school grades. These are the grades that your school actually manages or has within the school. So 0 to 3 years, RRR, RR, grade R, and then primary school and high school. So let's say your school does grade R, primary school. Those are our grades that we've got in this school. Then you'll come here to the school venues. Add the school venues that you have, like let's say auditorium. You can go class 100, for instance. Athletics field. And let's go with music room. Okay, so we've got just those four venues for the moment. Then you'll come here to your school terms and periods. It'll say add school term, so you can go with term 1. You give the start date, so let's go to next year. We are starting on the 15th of January and ending term 1 in March sometime. March 7th, let's say. Add. Then you'll see term 1, 2025. Those are our dates. Then we can just add the other terms for the year as well. Then we can go, so March 7th, it's a 2-week holiday, so we'll start on the 24th of March and end June 27th, for instance. Term 3. We'll say start on the 28th of July, ends in September 26th. And then our final term will be from October 6th to December 12th at term. So there's our 4 terms for the year. Here you can add in your school period. So these will be when you actually have your activities, for instance. Your period name, so you can name it something like after school 1, and that'll start at let's say 1:30. End time will be 2:30, so let's just say that it's an hour-long session. We'll go after school 2, we'll go with 14:30 until 15:30, and let's say that there's also a earlier one that is during school period, and that one is from 12:30 until 1:30. Okay, so those are our terms and those are our periods. Once you have done this, you are able to actually get started on adding your learners, your staff, and everything else from there. I'm going to end this settings tutorial and I will do another video next on the staff. So I hope that I'll see you on the next one.